Good evening. I am with Mr. Param, who is General Manager Facilities at Wipro Facility, India. Param, first of all, congratulations for winning the award, Leadership Award, and at this Facility Management Forum. How do you feel about it?
Pretty good. I think it's a good forum. At least gets you to understand where we stand. It's a good forum. Yeah.
Other than the awards and recognition, how does this forums help you?
I think it gets to know a lot of people in the similar profile, and probably interact, network, and then share best practices, or just knowledge sharing. It's a good platform.
So, since the event is all about facility manager, we'd like to know when and how did your career start at facility manager?
I'm basically from the Air Force, and then when I left the Air Force, I got a break with Ford, and then currently with Wipro in about 13 years managing facilities.
How many years of experience?
Probably about 20 plus.
25?
20 plus, yeah.
20 plus of experiences. So I'm sure there are many events which would have left a lot of learning. So if you'd like to share one particular incident or one particular event where it was very challenging and you learned a lot out of it.
There are multiple. I think in all our kind of roles that we play, everybody goes through a lot of challenging scenarios on a daily basis. So if I have to pick one, we've done a lot of good projects, which I should say, probably sustainability was one interesting area that we did a lot of work on. And all those projects have been interesting, and have always given us a lot of learning out of that.
So at this forum also you see many young facility managers. What is that one advice you like to give them at their job profile?
I think people need to keep adding value to themselves. That is the most important. Don't stop learning. That's if any of us is able to do that consistently, I think there's no way to stop, or there's no stopping.
I'll also like to know, how do you keep yourself updated, right? Because your job profile is, it calls for a lot of time commitment, and you also have a family to manage. So how do you keep yourself updated?
I think the web, going to such seminars, meeting a lot of people, share your thoughts, getting into, there are a lot of forums like this on the web, and nice portals, etc., which you could actually use and consistently keep yourself updated.
Okay, very good. So share us some few hobbies and passion what you have about.
Hobbies, currently I'm trying to learn golf, so I just started picking up. So I think that's my interest now.
Yep. Any hobbies in particular?
Yeah. I think if I am able to get a decent level in this, I'll be very happy.
How does your weekend looks like?
I do a little. Normal weekend, I try and play golf a little, then play some badminton or tennis. Generally, I typically spend some time at home.
At this point of life, if you want to thank few people in your life, who would be these people?
I think a lot of them. All those seniors or so, who have been associated with, my peers and my teams, all the different teams that I work with.
So you'd like to give any message to your team?
No, I think they're doing a great job. They should continue doing that.
Thank you. Thank you. It was really wonderful talking to you, Param, and I'm sure more such interactions will come up in future.
Hi, I'm Shrikant Acharya, and I'm the CEO of OfficeNeeds.com. We help businesses to plan and purchase office stationery and daily office supplies.
Hi, my name is Gautam. I'm the founder of Neosystem. We help more than 500 plus companies go green and do whatever they wish.
If you watched this interview and you really liked it, you should visit www.fsnews.com